Are you looking for a luxury bow rider from a world-renowned legendary company such as Sea Ray that's athletic but also elegant? Look no further than the Sea Ray 280 SLX Outboard. I'm Caleb Peevler at MarineMax St. Petersburg, and today we're going to do a summarized walkthrough of the 280 SLX. So this Sea Ray 280 SXO is powered by twin white Mercury 250 Verados. As you notice that they shift around and hold us out here on that skyhook feature, that is capable from that joystick piloting option. Joystick piloting is an optional feature and upgrade for the SLX lineup, but it's going to hold us over a spot. We're right off the dock here at MarineMax St. Petersburg where we would get fuel or pump into service. This is a feature that could be used from an entertainment perspective as I wait to get into a restaurant or I wait to get in to get fuel because there's somebody ahead of me. It's also a feature that I've used as the boat guy with my family and friends that allows me to prep dock lines, shift kids around and say, hey, everybody hang tight. We're gonna dock on the starboard side, but I'm gonna use the skyhook feature so that I could somewhat step away from the helm safely, still keep my head on a swivel, and get my lines ready if I've got my family with me so we could dock safely. We're gonna step forward and take a closer look at the cockpit. So as we step into the cockpit of the Sea Ray, we notice a couple things. We talked about engines and power with his athleticism and performance. When we go to elegance, we step into the cockpit and see that really cool Sea Ray stitching on the gray interior that's a quilted double stitch and padding, but we also get an idea of why Sea Ray is known for their engineering and their capability. Whether it be storage beneath each of the cushions, the way we have more space and the cushions all face each other, or even the way those helm seats from port and starboard are forward facing while we're underway, but if we're going to be hanging out, having charcuterie snacks or hanging out at the island and anchored up, that we could spin those seats around and participate in this social zone. This boat specifically is optioned with the power tower. There's some switching there on the starboard side at the base of the tower that allow me to bring that down from a bridge clearance perspective. It's also a nice way to bring that power tower down without manipulating it and arguing with it and fighting with it myself manually, but I can also protect the boat at a higher level because the way that that comes down is going to be somewhat mesh with the seam of that windshield frame. It's also got a extendable sunshade that if we're on the boat and trying not to sunbathe, or maybe we've got somebody that wants to stay out of the sun, kids that want to extend their day and be on the water longer, there's a sunshade that unclips and extends out on a track to cover those people on that rear swim platform. We'll step up to the helm and take a closer look at electronics and power. So as you sit at the helm of the Sea Ray 280 SLX Outboard, there's a couple things that you want to think about and talk about. You know, not only do we have the Sea Ray switching through the dash or at the helm with these twin 12-inch Simrad screens, we've also got intentional physical switching, stereo to the left, physical switching for horn, running lights, bilges, or windlass to the right. We move that tilt helm depending on how we're sitting. I prefer the visibility of sitting up high on this bolster kickback, but this chair does swivel to be rear facing, or it does come forward on a track if I've got shorter legs. I can tuck myself in by sliding that bolster down and have that ergonomic known deep seating and still have my controls, you know, right at my fingertips and be tucked in behind that windshield, have great sight lines and still have good visibility. You know, whether I've got somebody water skiing, wakeboarding, or we're out just cruising and there's a lot of traffic for a holiday, I probably would sit up with bolstered up and have good visibility and sight lines up over the windshield or the people romping around the boat. But if I sit down tucked in, I can just rip on a, you know, plus 50-mile-an-hour boat with those twin 250s and control my joystick and or my, you know, throttles and binnacles right here one-handed. We'll take a step up and peek at that bow seating area and close this out. You know, it doesn't get much better than this sitting up on the bow of Sea Ray. You know, from their 19-footers all the way up to the Entertainer, the 400 SLX, Sea Ray's known for accommodation, social zones, and entertaining. The 280 SLX and its redesign has this big U-shaped bow seating that just today on even our sea trial that we're running into dolphins jumping in our wake. As somebody that's been in Florida for rolling up on 13, 14 years, I can tell you the dolphins don't get old. As somebody that's going to use the boat the way my family would use it, I've got 3 children. wife on board, we traditionally will have my brother or some friends and kids with us. You're gonna have the kids all spread out up here, jumping and running and romping, but they're still safe and tucked in real deep. That's gonna kind of meet you at the shoulder, where I know if I'm running and ripping on plane, that my kids are up here tucked away with the very thoughtful handrails that are behind the eye lines of the bow of the boat, but I've still got cup holders, chargers, and stereo remotes wrapped around this cool U-shaped seating. It's important to look at the athleticism and performance of what Sea Ray's SLX line has to offer, but it's also important to look at that elegance. Everybody that hops on the Sea Rays is just floored at how much nicer it is than the competition and just what this boat packs in for a 28-footer. If you want to take a closer look, you can check us out online from MarineMax.com. If you'd like to see the boat in person, once again, my name is Caleb Piefler at MarineMax St. Petersburg. We appreciate you for your time.